Hello, welcome to RC Video Reviews. Today I'm going to show you how to add an audible prompt to a switch. You know, if you're out flying around and you do something like activate your landing gear, it's nice to have your radio tell you that that's what you did. So in order to do that, press the model button, hit the page left button until you get to special functions, and then scroll down to any special function that you have open. In my case, I'll use special function number 5, so I'll press enter on the jog dial one time, and that brings me to the switch field, and I'll press enter on the jog dial again, and you'll notice that the cursor blinks. Now you can use the scroll wheel to either select from the list, or you can simply hit a switch. So let's say that I want SA to be my landing gear switch. I can go SA down, and you'll notice that the highlight changes to SA down, and then I'll press enter on the jog dial to lock that in, and then under the function, we'll scroll down to play track. There it is, play track. And then finally in the third column, we'll press the jog dial again. Now, one thing I have to point out, you're going to see a lot more options on mine than you'll have on a stock OpenTx radio because I have the Amber sound pack installed. It's outside the scope of this video to talk about how to do that. There's lots of Google articles on how. I'll probably put an OpenTx snippet together on how to install Amber, but that is outside the scope of today's video. So let's just say that I want to have an alert that says gear down. Let's say that's my landing gear switch. Scroll all the way down to G. And there we go, gear down. The last thing I'll show you is a neat little pro tip on OpenTx. You notice how there's a 1x there. What that means is play it one time. The problem is that when you load this model, it's going to play that track if your gear is down. So if you don't want that to play when you turn the radio on or when you select the model, you simply go over to this field and put an exclamation in front by scrolling left. So all I did there was I pressed down on the jog dial until that cursor was blinking, and I scrolled left one position, and now there's an exclamation in front of the 1x. And what that means is if my SA switch is down, when I select this radio, it won't play that track. It will only play that track after the model has been selected, and then SA goes down. If you want an audible prompt for gear up, you repeat the process, and instead of using gear down for your prompt, you select gear up. Now when SA is moved to the up position, the radio will announce gear up, and when SA is moved to the down position, the radio announces gear down. Now you know how to assign an audible prompt to a switch action. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click subscribe. That's all I've got for today. Take it easy. Hey, if you like the work I do here on RC Video Reviews, please consider joining me on Patreon. For about the price of a cup of coffee, you can help me keep making videos just like this one. If you'd like to help out, there's a link in the description and on your screen.